YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video. Guys, you already know, right before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my second channel. The link is down in the description. All you have to do is click it. I want you to smash that subscribe button for me. Also, guys, if you want to copy 260 King Wavy merch, link is also in the description. Click that link. Once you get to his website, anything that you purchase off that website, don't forget to use my discount code 360juice26 for 26% off. Anyways, guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Damn, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. So welcome back. Before we get into this video, I want you to know that this video is for coarse hair textures. You know, this is for African American hair textures. Alright, so let's begin. So why do you wash your hair? Why do you need to wash your hair? If you already know the answer to that, just drop that in the comment section. But you need to wash your hair to keep it clean. That's it. Keep your hair clean by washing your hair with shampoo. As you guys already know, there's different types of washing. There's cold washing, then there's washing with shampoo. But I'm gonna get to that later. Now when it comes to how often you should wash your hair, that's when it gets tricky. I actually don't know. Just to make sure you guys know that us African Americans and, how should I say this, whites, you know, I'm trying to say this in the most respectful manner as possible, but white hair or straight hair, coarse hair, they're two different textures, you feel me? So they have their own shampoos, and most shampoos that's out there on commercials and stuff are not made for us, okay? And we think that it's made for us and we use it, but no. Alright, we want to try to stay away from those types of shampoos as much as possible, okay? Those types of shampoos are not made for us, so we should stay away from them. Non-coarse or medium hair textures have to wash their hair every day or every other day, but not us, not me, not you if you're a coarse hair waver. We can hold on longer without, you know, applying shampoo to our hair, without actually washing our hair with shampoo. So if you don't have straight hair, you should not be washing your hair every day or every other day. You know, it's just not for your hair texture. You can't do that. Now this next one is very powerful. You gotta be careful with how much products you apply to your hair, how much products you're taking into your scalp. You gotta be really careful with that. Why? Because it clogs up your pores. Alright, so once you apply too much products, over time it melts down to your forehead or down to your whatever, your face, and then you start seeing pimples. That's your pores being clogged up. That tells you that you're applying too much products to your hair. Alright, a little goes a long way. You don't need to apply that much products. Just a dime size, a little bit. Alright, not that much. Now once you start seeing the product dripping down your forehead, you start seeing pimples. It means it's time to wash out the clogged up pores, the product buildup that's in your hair. Now to avoid this from happening, you have to use as little product as possible, as I said earlier. Believe it or not, a little goes a long way. Now the goal is to stay away from shampoo because it dries out your hair. Alright, the less product we put in our hair, the longer we can go without having to apply shampoo to our hair. Alright, that's what we're trying to avoid. Like I said in my last video, I made a video about this, but you can also condition your hair by co-washing, which is condition washing. That way, if you're applying as little products to your hair as possible and co-washing, your hair can be as moisturized and clean as possible without having to, you know, apply shampoo to take all the products out and dry out your scalp. You can definitely co-wash every day or every other day to keep moisture in, to keep your scalp from drying out. Remember, the less products you apply to your hair, the longer you can stay away from shampoo. And if I could recommend a shampoo that you can use for your hair, I would highly recommend that you do your research and find a shampoo that's made for your hair texture. Now, however many times you choose to wash your hair with shampoo, it's totally up to you. Now, I gave you all the information, alright? Now, you choose to do whatever you want with it. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. Hopefully this video was a little helpful. Open your mind up a little bit about washing your hair, different types of shampoos that's made for your hair texture, blah 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 blah, etc. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button for me. I'm out of here. Peace.